channel. My name is Bella Nicole. I am a makeup artist, a designer for Designs by Bella Nicole, and also a lifestyle blogger. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this Barbie inspired makeup tutorial. There's no filter here, just natural light. If you're interested in learning how to recreate this, then just keep watching. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this gorgeous Barbie inspired look. And we're going to focus on Barbie's face shape, her eyes, and her lips. If you're interested in learning on how I apply my foundation, concealer, and daily makeup, I'll be linking my previous tutorial in the description box below. Now that I've already prepped my skin with my foundation and concealer, I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer and warming up the face. I started with the forehead, the contour to the cheeks, and the sides of my face. Now I'm going in to the bridge of my nose and gently making a small triangle down at the bottom to follow Barbie's face shape. Now that we've already contoured our face, we're going to go in with Tarte Smooth Operator finishing powder and apply that under the eyes. That's going to prep our area to make sure we don't have any eyeshadow fallout. It's also going to help keep all of our makeup in place. To further define our shape, I'm adding some in the center of my nose and going right underneath that contour. We don't want to overdo it. We want to gently buff it out as we go. Easy does it, but just to chisel out those cheekbones the way Barbie has hers. Next, I'm going in and applying Tarte Smooth Operator with that same beauty blender, and it's going to set up our lips for our lip liner. Now that we've waited 5 minutes, we're just going to buff out the excess, making sure we don't have any harsh lines and that everything blends together seamlessly. Getting everything smooth and even and getting the face shape down is critical to creating this look. So I'm making sure everything is nice and even. I wanted a more defined nose, so again, I just went back in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer and just sketched that out a little bit more to make it a little bit more pronounced. Now I'm going in with my LA Colors blush in Sweet Cheeks and warming up the face, but giving us that beautiful pink Barbie glow. This color can be intense, so make sure you go in with a light hand and just sweep it gently over the cheeks. Next, we're gonna go into our eyebrows. Now to shape our brows, I'm using my Morphe M432 brush and also my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in dark brown. Always make sure that the pomade matches your hair as closely as possible for the most natural look. And what I do is a crosshatch pattern. I use the sculpting brush to push the brows up and then to go horizontal, and that gives you the most natural look. Now I've already lined my lips with Huda Beauty Trophy Wife and also applied Rimmel London's eyeshadow in Witness White just in the center for that cartoon pop. I then went in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Romantic, and with a lip brush I added a beautiful MAC lip gloss in the color Just for the Frill of It to give us that beautiful Barbie pout. Now it's time for the eyes. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Shimmer Eyeliner Pencil on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye to give us that cartoon look. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Shimmer Eyeliner Pencil on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye to give us that cartoon look. With that same color, now we're going into the inner corner and the outer corner of our lash line. It's going to brighten up the eyes and give us some definition. Now to make sure our eyes really stand out, with our eyeshadow, I'm going in with Rimmel London's eyeshadow stick in Witness White. After I applied that one layer, I went in with my Modern Renaissance palette and used the color Vermeer as a transition color. Now I'm just taking that same Rimmel London eyeshadow stick and meeting the two in the middle. I'm just making sure everything blends together seamlessly and gives us a good base. Now to give us the illusion of blue eyes, I'm going in with Milani's Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Keep On Sapphire. We want to hug that lash line tightly while avoiding the white that we've already applied and just making sure we go out to the outer corner to give ourselves a little bit of a wing. As always, we want to make sure we take a clean brush and then just make sure those edges are nice and smooth. We don't want any harsh lines. Now to give us that 3D effect on the eyes, I'm going to take that white e.l.f. eyeliner and place it right above the sapphire color. That's going to make our eyes pop and it's going to give us some added dimension. I'm also taking that same eyeliner and placing it right under that blue wing to make it stand out. Now it's time to play with some eyeshadow. So first I'm taking the color Vermeer, which is a beautiful pearlescent color, and I'm going to carefully place that above my eyeliner and take it all the way up to the brow bone. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's going to give us a good foundation. Again, I added the warm taupe as a transition color and blended it with Venetian red. Then took the outer V and used Cypress Amber. Now that I've added the color Primavera to the inner corners of the eyes, I'm also taking that underneath the brow bone. As always, now we want to make sure we have everything nice and blended with a clean makeup brush. Now I'm taking that same sapphire color and just making sure it pops by placing it right on the lash line. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. Make sure you take it to the outer corner, give us a little wing, and just hug that lash line tight. Absolutely gorgeous. Now with my clean makeup brush, I'm just making sure I don't have any eyeshadow fallout and making sure everything's blended. Now I'm taking that same e.l.f. eyeliner and placing it right underneath the lash line. It's going to make our eyes look bigger and again more cartoon-like. Next, to warm up the eyes, I'm going in with e.l.f. Waterproof Metallic Liner in light brown. It's going to give us some definition. It's going to give us a gorgeous cat eye by connecting it to the wing up top without giving us any harsh lines. So to this, I also added lashes and mascara for added dimension and volume. It's totally optional, but it's absolutely stunning. This is the finished look. No filter, just natural light. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love hanging out with you. I have another look coming up soon, a Ciate London Jessica Rabbit look, so make sure you subscribe, like this video if you like this type of content, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, I'm sending you peace and love.